Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. I am at my potato patch and I check this every couple of days. I'm glad that I did. I have a potato that is sticking out above the ground that's not good. It's starting to turn green. It will become inedible. So I'm going to have to deal with that, take care of that. I've been adding dead grass clippings over top of the soil to keep them covered. And I discovered a second one. This is one of the purple potatoes that's also peeping out through the ground. So it's a mixed bag. It's bad news is good news. The good news is that I know the potatoes are growing and they look to be a decent size. I had one, the last time I checked, where the soil was peeping out. It's over here somewhere and I had to cover it. I deliberately held back this year. I guess if I had a theme for this summer, it would be restraint, or even a better word would be patience, because I harvested this area too early last year and I wasn't happy with the results. So I'm going to just let it go. This is the middle of July and it's been about 2.5 months. So I'm going to wait probably until sometime in August. So I'll just keep an eye on this. I'll keep it covered. I have Yukon Golds. I have purple potatoes. I have russet potatoes. I have about 40 varieties of potatoes in here. And it looks like it's doing well. So I'll catch you guys later.